self-cleaning litter boxes is a laborious chore that faces all kitten and indoor cat owners. Never fear, the future is here. Okay, maybe not that futuristic. Self-cleaning litter boxes have been around for a few years now, but the industry is constantly improving and the products are becoming better and better with every release. In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best automatic litter boxes in the market today. You can find links to the products in the description. If you've got another product in mind that you would like us to review, please comment down below. We'll look into it as soon as possible, and let you know how it compares to the items listed in this roundup. So, without further ado, let's get started with the list. We can term CatGenie self-flushing cat box a luxury toilet for your cat. It connects to your water system and will automatically flush cat waste after every use. The water that flushes the waste also cleans the litter. This makes it self-sustaining, and improves hygiene by reducing the risk of both human and pet diseases. This self-cleaning system by CatGenie is beautifully set up, and is automated, does not require user interaction. All you need is to clean occasional litter spills around the box, and add more litter after some time. This kitty litter box uses a special type of litter rather than the usual disposable cat litter many models use. It lasts longer, and will rarely need refiling. It is also 100% free of dust and does not need to be changed. With the CatGenie, your cats have a bathroom that's more hygienic than your own. CatGenie not only flushes away waste, it also washes itself clean. All you do is touch a button to program the cleaning to your schedule. You'll never touch, smell, breathe, buy or carry cat litter ever again. When the cleaning starts, your CatGenie removes and liquefies the solids for safe and easy disposal down the drain or toilet. Flushes all out of your home for good. No nasty clumps or dirty litter to mess with. No heavy bags or containers of contaminated litter to smell or carry. If any of this litter goes down the drain when flushing, it will biodegrade in 9 months. This reduces the risk of having clogged drains. Simply Clean is an innovative, automatic litter box that continuously self-cleans throughout the day. The quiet, slow-moving bowl constantly turns, making one full rotation per hour. During this time, waste is sifted out and carried up the conveyor belt into the covered, removable waste bin. All you need is clumping litter, and the litter box does all of the work for you. This self-cleaning litter box system is both economically and environmentally friendly. No additional accessories to routinely purchase or needed to maintain the PetSafe Simply Clean litter box system. Conveniently use simple recycled grocery bags to line the waste receptacle for a fast and affordable cleanup. Of course, the unit isn't only easy on your wallet and the planet, it's also easy on you and your favorite feline. No scooping, no odor, no mess. You'll save precious time with our automatic Simply Clean litter box system, and your cat will be quite pleased with the fresh and ready litter box that's no longer dependent on your schedule. PetSafe is a popular brand and is known for making quality pet products. Among their popularly known product is PetSafe Self-Cleaning Litter Box. This litter box is a perfect solution for cat owners who are not always at home and unable to keep an eye on their cat's litter box to see if it is in top condition. There is nothing worse than opening your house after being out for a few days, only to be greeted by a powerful smell coming from an unattended litter box. This litter box, which comes with a 1-year warranty, is one of the best self-cleaning litter boxes currently on the market. If you want something that is easy to set up, easy to maintain and clean, then PetSafe Self-Cleaning Litter Box will not disappoint. For people with cats that sprint out of the litter box after relieving themselves, the Omega Paw Self-Cleaning Litter Box might be beneficial for them, as it is fully enclosed and keeps the litter from getting out and spreading all over the house. One outstanding thing about Omega Paw Litter Box is that it does not rely on electricity to run. Instead, this litter box uses a simple mechanism where you roll the litter box severally so that the clumped up and can get trapped in a set screen on its lid. The fact that you don't need to plug it in is also advantageous, as most cats chew the power cords and consequently get jolted. This self-cleaning litter box from Omega Paw is incredibly easy to use, as you only need to roll it over once and sifter will hold all the poop and clumps. The Omega Paw Self-Cleaning Litter Box is ideal for big cats or multiple cat households. It quickly self-cleans while controlling dusting and odor. Simply roll the litter box to the right until the top touches the floor. Then roll it back to the upright position. The internal mechanism deposits the clumped waste into the pull-out waste tray for easy disposal. The system only works with clumping litter. The clumped litter is separated from the clean litter so the clean litter is not thrown away. The covered pan design provides your cat privacy. This litter box will save you money with no more scoops, liners or filters to buy. All you need to do is to empty the litter pan afterward and give it a quick rinse. This action, of rolling this litter box to one side and then back, splits up your pet's clumped waste from the clean litter and pour it into a removable tray separated by a specially designed grate from the rest of the litter box. For anyone who's looked at or used its predecessor the Litter Robot 2, then you can expect a larger, more ergonomic opening, an updated design, and an amazing self-adjusting sensor. There are no rakes or wires that could potentially get jammed up, so it's a really reliable runner. A pressure sensor inside tells the Litter Robot when your cat enters and leaves, so it can plan a cleanup for the near future. There's no need to come in contact with any of your cat's waste at any point, and its super sturdy design means you can expect a reliable automatic litter box that will withstand the test of time. Designed with odor control in mind, it performs just as well using regular litter as a regular litter box would with special odor controlling litter. The enclosed design means that litter won't spill over onto the surrounding area, and it's as quiet as you could expect a mechanical appliance to be. It's pricey, there's no denying that, but you really do get what you pay for. Another great self-cleaning litter box is the LM980 from Littermain. One of the striking things about this product is its height and size. These make it ideal for large cats, and also guarantees that all the mess stays in the box irrespective of whether your cat loves hiding its poop by violently pulling sand particles towards it or not. If you have multiple cats in your home, this self-cleaning litter box will suit you as it is spacious enough to accommodate 2 cats in one go. Just like other Littermain litter boxes, it comes with high walls to prevent spilled litter. Your cat's litter can now be clean all day, every day with the Littermain Multi-Cat Self-Cleaning Litter Box. This litter box automatically scoops itself after every use for a clean, fresh start every time. When used and stored as directed, you will have scoop-free cleanup for up to 7 days. It also utilizes a rake mechanism when it comes to cleaning clumped waste out of its box. This litter box is larger than all the litter boxes we have reviewed in this post, making it ideal for a household with larger cats and multiple cats. This litter box is one of the best in the market. It is also deeper than most models, and as a result, it can hold more litter. This also ensures the odor is contained.